the big reality movement. Still, I'm a conscious, yeah, Rastafari. Clinical song.
Majestic with the black king. Today I'll sing you a black song. You need to hear about beautiful black things. Cause most time we hear about black, we hear about black magic and black witches. Blacklist, black book, black market, black Friday, spin off your black witches. I've never seen a doctor in black, nor seen a black pill to cure no black people. But I've seen bush doctors like us and Molly resurrect like a real black people. Malcolm, Marcus, Martin. When you see Walter Rodney asking it, oh you never hear about how we laughing. So when the little offspring asking, tell them they never told us that black is beautiful. They never told us black is beautiful. They never told us that black is beautiful. They never told us. They never told us that black is beautiful. You a behave when I go on like you never spent 500 years on a farm. The same chain you a wear when I go on is another black life in Sierra Leone. Boy, find out mama earth black gold then. Then find out mama earth black silver then. You work hard just to get a black card. Same card with a swipe by back your black gold then. Hold on, I see no faces long, but this is not a racist song. This is a song for the children who was ever told about where the race is from. You never hear it in their favorite songs. Everybody calm as the ladies come. What I got one when the ladies come. I start speak about things like Logan's black comet and push, black kings, black senate and books. Where teach both pyramids and put real significance to the physical looks. So everywhere when you sing black, in my world everything black. Black, white, white, black, right back. So don't be surprised if you see the king black. Cause they never told us that black is beautiful. They never told us black is beautiful. They never told us that black is beautiful. They never told us. They never told us that black is beautiful. I wonder who taught him to preach. Teacher is teaching. Where did he get his degree? Now it is no mystery. Who taught us black history? Jesus. Your energy is right.